Welcome to everyone. I am Christy Pamela from History Department. Now I am going to present the private archives. Introduction. Archives is an organized body of records. It is systematically used by the scholars. The word archives is originated from the Greek word archion. Its meaning is that belong to an office. This Greek word archion again has its origin in the word archi. These meanings arranged in the sets of three divisions. First one, beginning, origin, first cause. Second one, first place, power, sovereignty, empire, reason. Third one, majesty office. Private archives. Man wants to have some link with the happenings and events of his past life, and hence he preserves things. Records of important personalities are maintained and preserved by the government. However, some records are privately owned and maintained. Between these two categories of records, it is true that considerable attention was paid to that of government archives. Due to recent developments, private archives in the form of business archives and received much attention from the scholars. Definition. It can be defined as those records which accumulated through the activities of the individuals, institution, industrial archives, etc. The private archives materials, firemen's, lease deeds, personal letters, manuscripts, photographs, paintings, etc. Difference between public and private archives. Indian archives can be conveniently divided in two broader categories. One is government archives and other is private archives. Government archives are government constructed and managed by the government. Private archives are in the houses of old historical families, in the custody of temples and monasteries, as well as in masjidis and churches. The categories of private archives. Private archives custody falls into six major categories. First one, archives of business and industrial houses like TVS, Ramco, Lakshmi Group, Sakti Group, PSG Groups, etc. Second one, archives of religious and communal institutions like London Missionary Society, RC Church, Brahmins Association, etc. Third one, archives of political parties and trade unions by the Congress Party, DMK Party, All Indian Trade Union Congress, Indian National Trade Union Congress, etc. Fourth one, archives of educational institutions like Madurai Kamaraj University, Annamala University, Madras University. Archives of former princely classes and aristocrats like the Maharajas of Travancore and Nawab of Bengal. Archives of eminent personalities and families. Archives of religious and communal institutions. Religion and religious practices dominated traditional Indian life, which can be understood only in the light of these archives. The Mats have a longer history than many dynamics which have ruled our country. These mats discharged some of the government functions also in the medieval times. Such functions included punishments of criminals. They looked after the unprivileged classes of the society, such as the slaves, orphans, widows, and untouchables. The Mats promoted learning by maintaining schools and libraries. Conclusion: the private archives is of importance to know the microscopic aspect of history. Private archives in the form of business archives and the like received much attention from the scholars. Thank you.